Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to withdraw money from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account. So the first thing you'll have to do is open up your Coinbase right here, and then basically all you have to do is actually just go here and locate your cash out button. So go to your wallet in the very bottom right corner and press cash out. So you can choose Transact or Alchemy Pay. So I would use Transact for this. It'll redirect you to another page right here where you will select what type of cryptocurrency you want to try to sell right here. So if you're using USDT, it's going to be either in Ethereum or Tron blockchain or Celo blockchain, but nobody uses that, or just Solana itself. You can do so right here. So if you want to sell Solana right here, let's just say you have 10 Solana. So let's just enter 10 right there. Then it's gonna calculate the rate right here. Select the currency that you want. So we're gonna go with USD right here. And then from there you want the withdrawal method. So it's either you want card payment and just press sell now. Enter your email from there, enter your card details, and then it will push through once it's done. They have confirmed it and you're ready to go. So basically that is how you withdraw money from Coinbase wallet to your bank account. It's just that simple. Again, go to the bottom right corner, press cash out, select one of these, and you'll be on your way.